Welcome, dear one. My name is Lana, and this is Pure Healing Channel. Today I will assist you in releasing health issues, pains, and inflammation with the help of universal healing energy of Reiki and the blue light of the Acturian healers. Trust you are in good hands. I am an experienced practitioner of Reiki, Tai Yi, traditional Chinese medicine, and acupuncture-based energy work, and a channeler of angelic realms. This healing session is created with sacred intention, supported by ascended masters, angels, and highly evolved healing beings of light. You may listen to this transmission from anywhere. You can sit back and receive the Reiki Universal light energy part, or engage more actively with the somatic awareness and Acturian light healing. Trust your intuition and allow yourself to be guided in the way that feels most natural for you. Take a slow, gentle, and deep breath in, and exhale fully, lips softly pressed together, feeling the air being released through them, moving from mental to sensory awareness. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment, in your body, in your breath, in your awareness of this present moment. Please give consent to receive and trust that the healing is already working. Say out loud or whisper, "I receive and I trust that it's working." Relax your mind and receive at your own pace. Relax your mind and receive at your own pace, guided by the innate wisdom of your body, your soul, and the angels surrounding you now. Gently call upon your higher expression, your higher self, the most evolved, loving, balanced, compassionate, and wise version of you. Invite this aspect of yourself to help guide the healing energy. Repeat after me, silently or aloud. I am open to receive the guidance of my higher expression, my most evolved, loving, and compassionate self. If you want, you can comment down below to reinforce that my higher self is here. Welcome this part of you to guide and harmonize the healing energy within and around you. Now sense the shimmering deep blue light of Acturian healing energy. It begins to flow like a gentle waterfall, cascading over the crown of your head, softening and relaxing your scalp, your forehead, your temples. The light continues downward, washing over your neck and shoulders, melting any tension you may notice there. It moves slowly along your arms, down through your elbows, your forearms, all the way into your hands. Your hands are now surrounded by a radiant, glowing field of healing blue light. Notice any warmth, tingling, or subtle pulsing. This luminous presence expands, enveloping the front of your body and the back of your body, holding you from all sides. The light flows down through your hips, into your upper legs, your knees, your lower legs. Finally, it reaches your feet. Your feet are fully bathed in this gentle, radiant blue energy, supported, grounded, and held. Take a moment to sense your whole body now, immersed in light from head to toe. It permeates every part of your being. It feels uplifting, soothing, and rejuvenating. It helps to release all the blockages that prevent you from feeling healthy and radiant. It is washing over you from Acturian vibrational realms, moving at its own perfect pace, guided by the wisdom of Acturian councils, your body, and your highest self. Many energetic realignments occur beyond conscious sensation, in a subtle, subconscious space of our energetic reality, which is then manifested into physical over a period of time. As the luminous healing blue light continues to flow through your body, know it is reaching into your cellular structure. Every cell softens, opens, breathes, and receives. Feel and know that old stagnation is loosening and dissolving. Energy that creates illness in you is released. Know that the energetic field around your body brightens and expands. Acknowledge what area of you needs the most healing, trusting that the healing is in progress. As we complete this session, offer gratitude for the highest divine healing energy that moved through you today, supporting you, guiding you, and being with you on this human embodiment journey. Slowly return to your space, feeling calmer, clearer, lighter, and more open to the beautiful reality unfolding before you. If this session resonated with you, please help spread healing energy to others by subscribing to the channel, leaving a comment about your experience, and sharing your love and support in other ways that align to you. Thank you.